day 5, and it's been a good start to the morning. Nice little wake up. Then I've finished doing the oven, so just been tidying up around the kitchen this morning. Tell you what, I wish I took some up before photos, because look at that. Bosh. The amount of grease what was on it before was mental. Like, it's just coming up black, grim, absolutely grim. But I'm glad that's sorted. There's another job done, and it just helps out really. His parents are nice enough to let me use it, so every time I come here I try to do a job or two. So tidying up, I'll do the grass. I wanted to do the edging today, but it's still raining. Can't do the weed killing because the weeds will be wet, so it won't really affect it. So it's still more tidying inside the caravan. But done all the surfaces as well now, so that all looks good. Just everything looks so more tidier now. Next bit is finishing with the footballs. Still got another like 18 to go with them, something like that, or 17. Want to tidy this little area now. Sort all of that out, get all of that looking lovely. Yeah, up there it's just a bit messy. On this counter's a bit messy as well. Look down there, bit messy. So yeah, gonna sort through all of that. Got to go to the bins. Gonna go shops because I need to get some stuff for me and Ellie. Need to get, whilst I remember putting that down, need to get a new Pyrex jug. I need a spatula. I need some kitchen scissors. I want see if there's a cheap baking tray. If there's not, that's fine. We've got 2, so we don't need more than 2 really. Just always good to have a spare. I might see if there's a roasting tray. If not, some chicken, some rice, 2 jacket potatoes, because on Saturday for lunch we're going to have tuna and beans and a jacket potato. And then I need some sponges because I've used them for cleaning the oven and now I've thrown them. So yeah, all tidied, kitchen all looking lovely. Got to put that away there. But just let it air dry, it's only me here. Then tidy the bedroom, have a shower, get properly ready, and then from there we'll be going to the shops. We might go to a charity, might do this, go charity shops. What do I need? If I go Home Bargains again, because Aldi's next door and I can get the food there and the things in there, perfect. Yeah, do another little workout. There's a couple calls really today what I can do, but I don't need to do it really. Need to put some posts up on both pages again, do another thumbnail. I also want to see if I can get some signal to actually post some of these videos, because they're getting there, but they've still got a couple hours each left. And if it gets sunny, I'd like to tidy outside a little bit more as well. So yeah, just keep going, keep tidying, and in the next bit my hair will probably be pushed back because I'll be washed and dressed in there. I don't like drying my hair, so sweet one. Smashing it out, doing really well. So tidied everywhere, looks so much better. Like, looks so much better everywhere really. Really happy with that. Still need to do the footballs. But doing some online work as well at the moment. Then just started making me lunch. So I've got, I was wondering what that was. It's just a condensation. All I'm going to have is a tomato soup. Had a can of that in the cupboard, and then in the freezer I had one of those baking rolls. So like when you put it in the oven, it goes really crispy. So that will be ready in like 8 minutes now. Having a cup of tea, got some little glass of cream soda and some water. Had my banana for today. So yeah, all good. Slowly getting through the cupboard, which is positive. We're going to have, as a starter tonight, we're going to be really fancy having a starter, eh? we're going to have mulligatawny. We're going to call it mulligatawny. So it's a soup with British beef, warmly spiced and balanced with sweet mango chutney. And I thought, with that, I think that'll go good as a starter for an Indian, just because it's got mango chutney, if I'm honest. So we're going to have that. Tomorrow we've got the tuna, we've got some baked potatoes I've bought, jacket potatoes. Going to have those with tuna and beans, and I bought some cheese as well. Bit of salt and pepper, got some crispy onions as well, so lovely stuff. Don't really need to do anything. Marinating me chicken. So go have butter chicken tonight. Marinated that. Probably put a bit too much milk in there, really. Done me bin run, so all good getting there. Done all under the coffee table. Found a really nice chopping board under there as well, which is still in the box. So I've got that out. It's like a chopping board slash. I've really messed up last. Yeah, no. So yeah, all going well. Tell you what though, if you want some toast or some bread or some eggs, this is what you want. Bovril, swear by it, honestly. Beautiful stuff there. So I'm going to have some bovril and butter on me toast. Bit of pepper for me soup. And yeah, we're just slowly going to keep going through the cupboard. I've got some Ryvitas as well, which might be quite... I might actually have some Ryvitas. I don't mind a Ryvita. And slowly go through it. I'll tell what I had earlier as well. Little review. Went to Aldi. I know I'm trying to save money, but I saw these. I saw them and they were sold out the other day. Pistachio Frappuccino. Really, really nice. However, I've just seen how many calories on there and I now regret it because they're nice, but oh my god. So I knew there was a lot of sugar in them. I was diabetic, so I was like, oh, well, if you want one, I'll have the rest of it if you want to just try it and stuff. 33 grams of sugar in this per sachet. And they only do a little glass, like, say big. It was 200ml, so about that big for glass. 33 grams of sugar. They are very nice, but very, very sweet. I would say to try them, but obviously don't go all out with them. I bought another Angel Delight for me and Elle. Well, a Dreamy Delish, Aldi's own. And then I got some jellies as well for next time we're here. So I got an orange jelly. I haven't had orange jelly in ages. And a raspberry jelly. I tell it's always nice with jelly as well, what you do. Half water, half lemonade, and makes it all bubbly. So it's almost, I call it fizzy jelly. I used to have it with my nan all the time. Bit of fizzy jelly. And what we used to do as well, we used to do layered jelly. So you'd have like orange, raspberry, strawberry, and you'd see the different colours and layers. Another thing I bought, because me and Elle quite liked the Dubai chocolate. We tried it in Santorini. So these in Home Bargains, some Dubai chocolate biscuits. So we're trying to eat a bit healthier, so I didn't want to get loads and loads of snacks. So we got our jelly and ice cream still. But I'm not sure if she's going to have the ice cream. We've got some popcorn, which is a bit better for you, and you can snack on it a bit more. But you can't really have bananas. Not really great for diabetics, which I never knew before. So yeah, so the afternoon's planned. So what I need to do, I still need to pump the footballs up. Long day. Got to do some online work. Got to message one of the players regarding next season because I've added them into the chat and I've just realised they've not actually accepted the offer. So just going to like follow up with them because I know they want to join. So it's just one of those where they just haven't replied to the email. Just replied to me. So big up me, but they've not replied to the club. And then message some people about my trading stuff. Hopefully the clothes that I've washed will be dry. so I can tidy the bedroom and like, because the airing horse is closed airing horse is massive, so it's using up a massive bit of space in the bedroom. I didn't want to have it in the living room because obviously I was tidying here. I've also got all the footballs out everywhere, so that's in the way. But yeah, that's me. I also need to find out what I'm doing on Sunday. So I was going to go out with one of my mates and do an eating challenge. It's going to be a £40 one. But, and if you eat it, you get it free. However, he's not sure if he's going to do it because he's not confident, because he's going to do the nachos. I'm doing the burger challenge. And only like 3 people have completed both of them, and they've been going for like 2-3 years. He's not sure if he's going to do the competition now. He might just get like a big portion or something. Not sure, so I've got to find out what the actual plan is. Because I know him because it's one of Ellie's best mates' boyfriend, and met him through Ellie's mate. Get on with him, so we're going out, and then also Ellie and her mates are at her house, so it kind of works out quite well. But not sure what's happening now. They're still seeing, Ellie's mates are still going round. Not sure, because he was saying about not doing the challenge, so I'm not sure what the plan is. So you're going to find that out today as well, because I quite like to know what I'm doing, or especially financially, because it's 40 quid if I do it. Because let's be honest, I'm not going to have 12 3-ounce smashed burgers with 5 onion rings, dirty fries, brisket, not biscuit, and then some hot wings or something like that. So yeah, not sure what the plan is, but I'm sure we'll find out what the plan is. Keep down to do this because now everyone's messaging me, so I'm going to quickly check what they're doing, and I'm going to see you after lunch. So, very productive day. So, obviously we done in the caravan today, but it's been alright weather in the afternoon. So what I've managed to do, have these sandals on, start doing a bit more outside. So I've done all the fences, like our side of the fence, can't do the other side, so you just have to cut it again when it grows through again. They kind of just leave it like this bike here, they're not using that. Then we've cut the grass, and then on top of that, this tree was overgrowing and you had to duck to get under it, so we've cut all the base, and with the new spruce which is all pushing out and making it all messy, and then tried to shape it to what I can reach anyway. So like up there is what it was like before, there is what I've done. So it looks a bit better. I had no ladder and I only had shears, so yeah, there's been 3 of these buckets of just the tree, so that shows how much was cut off in the end. But quick bit of the garden, quick cut of the grass, quick bit of the fence over there, little bit in here sorted, some of the weeding done, and then the weed killer down. So productive little afternoon really. Tidied the bathroom up as well. So yeah, also so the neighbour can't drive, so taking their rubbish to the bin. So all good, really good afternoon, really good and productive. Ellie will be here in about an hour and a half or so. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a couple more bits on my laptop, so I don't have to do that when she's here. Still haven't pumped up any more footballs, so we'll be doing that as well. She said she'll do some, so we've also got to put the dinner on, so then when she gets here she can have her dinner, because she's worked all day today, bless her. So yeah, deserves just to come here, have a relax, have some food, and open a bottle of wine and enjoy it. So yeah, I probably won't be speaking for the rest of the night now, because I'll be having a nice night of hell. But yeah, lovely productive afternoon. Really happy with what I've got done whilst at the caravan this time, and also this week as a whole. I think it's been quite productive. Well, I'm in a better position now than I was at the start of the week, and that's all you can ask for really. And I'm glad I've started to do these videos. I'm quite enjoying these videos. So I might start trying to do a couple more like daily, like little catch-ups. And yeah, looking forward to using the new oven as well. Well, I guess I used it earlier, didn't I? But yeah, it'll be good. So I might see you on tomorrow's one. I'm not sure if I'm going to do one yet, but we'll see. And sweet one. Thanks for watching the road trip.